Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Tech Talk back again with another video. In this video I am going to tell you 10 things that Apple new MacBook have. On October 27, Apple launches new MacBooks. The same week Apple marked his 25th anniversary on his portable PCs lineup, we people call MacBooks in this era. The new MacBook features a completely new design, much faster components, and have the best feature including the innovative touch bar. So let's get started the video. Coming on number 1, the new touch bar. The touch bar replaces the traditional function keyrow and shows the regular system commands. The touch bar is fully interactive and context sensitive and adapts the relevant shortcut keys on every application such as Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. A complete demonstration on Apple event stage demonstrates the uses of touch bars such as video and photo editing, DJ scratching and mixing, and moving a timeline while you are editing a video. Coming on number 2, the Touch ID. The second best feature, Touch ID, is now integrated with the power button present on the right side of the touch bar. The Touch ID works the same as we are using in other iOS devices such as iPhones to lock and unlock the device or other online services. The Touch ID now have the new fast user automatic profile switching option if other persons logged in. The Touch ID also makes payments through Apple Pay as well. Coming on number 3, the keyboard. In this new MacBooks, having completely new and redesigned keyboard mechanism. Apple called the second gen butterfly keyboard mechanism. It works much better and more responsive compared to the previous MacBook's keyboard. Coming on number 4, the trackpad. The trackpad is also redesigned. The new trackpad is Force Touch trackpad and is 2 times bigger than the previous MacBooks. With this Force Click technology, the trackpad works great and is very useful for designing and editing works. Coming on number 5, the design. The 2016 MacBook is the most thinner and lighter MacBook Pros that Apple ever made. Both 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro completely new design and measurements. First one, 13-inch MacBook Pro is 39.9 mm and 17% thinner, 23% less in volume. The weight is 3 pounds, that is almost half a pound less than the previous 13-inch MacBook Pro. Second one, 15-inch MacBook Pro is 15.5 mm and 14% thinner, 20% less in volume too. The weight is 4 pounds, that is almost half a pound less too than the previous 15-inch MacBook Pro. And the resolution of the display is much better, 67% brighter, 67% higher in contact ratio, and 25% more color vibrant. On the number 6, the new flash storage. The storage is 100 times faster and the performance is way better than the previous MacBook. Coming on number 7, 4 Thunderbolt 3 port and a 3.5 mm audio jack. Both 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pros have 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports and each of the port could be used for charging, which is a very good feature. And a 3.5 mm audio jack for headphone connectivity. If you have other dongles for connecting the other devices, so you can use any Thunderbolt 3 port for connecting different type of devices. Coming on number 8, the new color option. Apple introduced a new color for both 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pros. The color looks good and is similar to the space gray, which we can see in Apple's iPhone 5s. On the number 9, the specs. The 13-inch MacBook Pro has 2.9 dual-core Intel Core i5 CPU, Intel Iris 550 graphics, 8GB memory, 256GB SSD, and 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. On 15-inch MacBook Pro have 2.6 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 CPU, a dedicated Radeon Pro 450 graphics, 16 GB of memory, 256GB SSD, and 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. On the number 10, the third variant. If you have less money to spend and buying a new MacBook Pro, the third cheaper variant is also available, which have less specs and have no touch bar or touch ID, and have the same function keyrow. If you like this video, so hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.